wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best billiards gloves. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The lycra in the Predator Poison clings tightly to the skin with little bunching or crimping while still giving your hand the flexibility it needs to move in any position. Don't expect the colors to last very long if you use it often though. It's good for users with long fingernails, however the rubber padding can create friction and is difficult to put on and take off. At number 9, the mifulgoo elastic has an anti-skid silica gel net on the palm, so you can really lean into your shots without slipping during your follow-through. The tip of the middle finger has been left open to give you a better feel of the table. It's made with lots of padding to reduce strain on your fingers and is easy to clean when necessary, but it's not ideal for large hands. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the MxxG MyJ Magic W is made from a wrinkle-resistant material, so there should be fewer creases to potentially throw off your stroke. It has a good amount of stretch to it, allowing you to simply pull it taut if it starts to come loose. It's easy to put on and remove and helpful for reducing chafing. However, the fingers are a little short. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Billiard Gloves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Anser Sport is flashier than many other choices, as it has a splashy design on the side in addition to a large logo on the palm. This is likely to draw attention, but it could also be distracting, both to you and your opponents. It's a durable construction that's available in 6 colors, but it tends to hold on to odors. Moving up our list to number 6. Given its name, it'll come as no surprise that the Kamui QuickDry is designed to air out fast, so even those with the sweatiest of hands should be happy with its performance. The Velcro strap at the wrist allows you to tighten it as much as you like. It helps keep cues clean and is good for extended sessions. However, this one's available for right-handed players only. Halfway up our list at number 5. Made of breathable mesh, the Predator Second Skin helps keep your hands cool rather than just mop up sweat as it occurs. The surface is designed to be low friction, ensuring a smooth stroke and reducing the risk of mishits. It's a durable double-stitched construction with a non-slip thumb pad, but it is pricier than some other options. At number 4, this model from Billiard Depot has quite a bit of flex to it, so you can contort your hand into just about any position without feeling constrained. The elastic in the wrist doesn't bunch up very much either, helping to ensure freedom of movement. This one's a good budget option, and the fabric allows for plenty of airflow. It's suitable for nearly any hand size. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Made from stretchable spandex, the IBS 3 Fingers Professional is a one-size-fits-all solution that'll cling tightly to your hand. There's elastic at the wrist to keep everything in place, so you shouldn't have to constantly readjust in the middle of a match. It comes in 4 colors and is a good unisex option. It works on either hand. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Billiard Gloves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the lycra used to make this offering from Scott Edwards sticks to your skin closely yet is still breathable. This ensures no loose fabric gets in the way during a shot, while also reducing the risk of sweaty palms causing a slip at an inopportune time. You get 10 gloves per order, all with the fingertips cut off. They're a strong and durable construction. And taking the top spot on our list, the Qsole Competitive is available in several vivid colors in addition to basic black. This makes it easier to keep track of, but also immediately announces you as a serious player, so it may limit your opportunities to hustle. It won't unravel if the fingertips are cut off, and it's made of an extremely soft fabric that is conveniently machine washable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Billiard Gloves, or simply click beneath this video.